So we take pride in place, really. We want to be the biggest brand in Station Road in Portablo, but you know, what happens in Oxford Street in London is not that relevant to us. Sound.
Right, Jess, how are we looking? You rolling?
Yeah.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. It's all about confidence, it's all about being different, it's about being a shepherd, not a sheep. That's what San Portablo is. Well, we want to become the biggest street label Wales has ever had. I'm proud to be from Portablo because my family has lived here for generations. We've got solitude, we have a lot of friendship, we've got a fabulous community. I think we got the best Welsh accent. There's a reason why so many actors have come out of this town. There's a reason for that. That isn't by chance. I think it's because it's got a special vibe to it. San Portablo is a celebration of this area. Spanish sailors, that's what they used to call it, San Portablo. We celebrate, you know, with the Welsh football team, Welsh rugby team, whatever our customer base is, we look to look after them and celebrate that, you know. We celebrated like the local dialect, so we've done t-shirts with like landed, tamping, tidy, lush, sound. You know, these are all words that are used a lot locally. I love the butterflies, right, when we're doing a new design, when we're going up to the printers and we go through that process, how it's going to turn out. It's like a big sporting event, I suppose, or you know, a big occasion. And it's a good buzz. The adrenaline, I'm hooked on it. I'm sure Pancho's hooked on it. It's what we love to do and what we're going to keep on doing. We've shown love to the community, but what they've shown back to us is breathtaking at times. San Portablo is a beautiful place.